In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a timeline view to your Trello boards and start visually planning your projects with dates in just a few clicks. If you've been using Trello with the standard board view and you want a more calendar-style layout that helps you see deadlines, schedules, and task durations at a glance, the timeline view is exactly what you need. I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can follow along in real time. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com, then log in to your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the board where you want to add the timeline view. This can be any board you're currently working on, whether it's for personal tasks, team collaboration, or project management. Click on the board to open it fully so you can see all your lists and cards. Now that you're inside your Trello board, look toward the top left area of the screen where you'll see the current board view displayed. By default, this usually says Board. Right next to it, you'll see an option labeled View. Go ahead and click on View. When you click on View, Trello will show you different layout options that are available for your board. One of these options is Timeline. The Timeline view allows you to see your cards laid out across a horizontal timeline based on their due dates or start and end dates. Click on Timeline to switch your board into this view. As soon as you click Timeline, Trello will transform your board into a date-based layout. If your cards already have due dates assigned, you'll immediately see them placed along the timeline according to those dates. If you don't see anything yet, don't worry. That just means your cards may not have dates assigned, and we're going to fix that right now. To add a new card directly from the timeline view, simply double-click on the date where you want to schedule a task. Choose the exact day on the timeline that matches when you want the task to begin. When you double-click on that date, a new card creation box will appear. Now type in the name of your card. This could be something like Project Kickoff, Design Review, Content Draft, or any task relevant to your workflow. After typing the card name, press Enter to create it instantly. Your new card will now appear on the timeline on the date you selected. If you want to adjust the duration of the task, you can click and drag the edges of the card across multiple days to extend it. This is especially useful for projects that span several days or weeks. You can also click on the card to open it and add more details, such as descriptions, checklists, attachments, labels, and team members. The timeline view makes it much easier to see overlapping tasks, manage workloads, and ensure deadlines don't conflict. This is particularly powerful for teams because everyone can visually understand what's happening and when. You can scroll left and right to move through different weeks or months, giving you a broader perspective of your entire project schedule. And that's it. You've successfully added and started using the timeline view in your Trello board. It's a simple feature, but it can completely change the way you manage projects by giving you a clear visual roadmap of your tasks and deadlines. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Trello tips and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.